Welcome to the Finance Frenzy Breakout. As the students approach the classroom, they will find this sign greeting them at the door to build anticipation. Once the students have entered the classroom, I will play a YouTube video called Finance Frenzy Introduction, and it plays a Mission Impossible music to explain the mission to the students. In this scenario, students will learn that a mysterious box was left in the classroom and something very important is inside the box. Students can use the clues found around the room to unlock the box in the next 45 minutes. The following are the clues that will be arranged and hidden around the room. You'll find these items in the digital resources in the Google Drive folder. Now I'll go through each of the puzzles and the lock associated with each. There will be 4 locks to use on the breakout box and a 3-digit small locked box involved. The first puzzle is for the directional lock. A colorgram will be visible somewhere in the room. Students will use the Hide-See app to read the paper, which tells them a riddle that they need to look under a chair that does not roll for their next clue. Students will then look under the chair in the room to find a Finance Frenzy quiz taped to the bottom. Once they answer the questions in the quiz, they will use the following directional lock code on this piece of paper to tell them which direction goes with each answer they had for the quiz. You could hide this with the quiz, or you could put it somewhere else in the room that they need to piece together. The next puzzle is for the 4-digit lock. Students will locate a QR code in the room. This links them to a 4-question quiz about checks. The answers that they have will give the students the 4 digits that they need to unlock the 4-digit lock. The next puzzle is for the small locked box. Students will use a money tray that they find in the room, and there's a clue with it that indicates to count the money in the tray so they can see a number that will help with the lock without a key. The next puzzle is for the key lock. The clue says chess, tame, home hint. Students will use this Mad Gab sentence to solve the puzzle that means just a moment. Then they will determine they need to look for a clock where they will find a key to unlock the key lock. The next puzzle is for the word lock. Students will find a literal puzzle in the classroom along with a clue about the puzzle. Students will put together the puzzle, and by reading the clue, they will learn that they need to turn the puzzle over to find the hidden message in invisible ink. The ink on the back will say another word for dough, D-O-U-G-H, and the students will need to unlock the lock with the word money, M-O-N-E-Y. Once the students are able to solve the puzzles to unlock the box, they will find whatever you deem to be important in that box. In this case, I included the ice cream toppings. Students will then be surprised with ice cream for their ice cream toppings. I decided if the students were not successful with their breakout in 45 minutes, I would still provide ice cream, they just wouldn't get the toppings. Thanks for listening to the Finance Frenzy Breakout explanation. Best of luck with your own breakout adventure.